Good morning. To our beloved Principal, Dr. Josefina Vicente, Madam President, Dr. Cristeta A. Evangelio, I have the honor to present to you the completers of grade 10 class in movie ceremony of school year 2022-2023, 48 boys
Bibigyan na pala tayo.
and 70 girls. A total of 118 students. They have completed all the requirements prescribed in the curriculum for their respective certificates.
Nice one, Axel.
Academic Achiever with Honors, Versalia Zion Adrian P.
Pangit. Ay, hindi nakapidyo. Ay, joke lang. Pangit. Ano na ako eh. Ako lang ako mag-takeover. Wala. Takeover. Wala, nasira yung takeover. Uy, Diyos ko. Sabi mo takeover ka dyan. Nakalaman. Huwag kang marunong mag-video.
Academic Achiever with Honors, si Kaka Charmaine P.
Wow! Ayun na nga ang aking girlie. Uy! Sabihin mo, bilisan mo.
Academic Achiever with Honors, Quazon Angelo S.
Wow! Sorry, hindi ako makapayag ka. Baka jello yan! Baka jello yan!
Academic Achiever with Honors, Baron Nancy.
Wow! Wait mo yung kay jello.
Achiever with Honors, Basa Gemela C.
Yan, tapos pag nasa stage, picturean mo na. Yan, gano'n. Madugay pag ganyan.
Excellence in Arts, Academic Achiever with Honors, Vendocena Abigail
Banda ni
P.
Mel. Si Sir nag-provide niya. Buti totoo yun.
Excellence in Music, Academic Achiever with Honors, Biray Prena Herschel B.
Ganda mo, Prena. Baka Prena yan. Baka Prena yan. Kuya, sa si Mami.
Excellence in Music, Academic Achiever with Honor,
Oh my God, ganito lang.
Benden Vince Lawrence Y.
Tapos pag nasa stage picture mo, yan.
Academic Achiever with Honors, Valentine Rian Rose C. with honors, Espanyol Rina Jem A.
Yay! Nakakaya. Baka Rika yan. Ito din Rika, nainis ako.
Excellence in Art, Academic Achiever with honors, Tulagan Prince Christoph.
Wala na, di na picturean.
Excellence in Music, Academic Achiever with honors, Suligen Alexa J.B. Excellence in Filipino, Academic Achiever with honors, Gomez Renzel A.P.
Picture mo yan. Picture mo nakaharap.
Malapit na. Asan yung
Ha?
pag wala tayo?
Paano pa ako tuloy sa pangalawa? Oh my God. Mamaya. Paano yung
Excellence
pagkakante?
in Computer, Excellence in Music, Academic Achiever with honors, Gogoy Darwin Roy R.
Lipat ka na dito. Sige na, lipat ka na. Singers eh. Patay mo.
Pagkuha mo yung mamaya.
Excellence in Math, Excellence in Social Studies,
Uy, sino yan?
Excellence in
Ala,
Theory,
sino kaya?
Excellence in Values, Academic
Eh.
Achiever with High Honors, Salvador Angela May, Corazon M.
Tama ako? Ayun naman dalawa eh. Kasi tatlapit kami. Ha? Tatlapit na kasi. Dalawa sana kayo.
Excellence in English,
Uy, sino
Excellence in Math, Excellence in Math, Excellence in Science, Academic Achiever with High Honors, si Nilong Sabana James C.